Not only half, I was sitting like
Hi all, happy evening sir. Hi all. A very happy evening to everyone sir. Audio clear? Any issues? Any issues? Right, before I start the class, a very important announcement. Tomorrow morning, 6:15 to 8:30, there is a special class. We thought of doing it on a Ganesh Chaturthi, but the session got postponed. Algebra special workshop. Do not miss, sir. Algebra special workshop. Tomorrow morning 6:15 to 8:30. Tomorrow morning. There is a special session. Let the students join. Tomorrow morning 6:15 to 8:30. Any student facing any issues? Do not miss any of the session. I hope you enjoyed today's morning session again on algebra. I hope you learnt a lot of new concepts today morning. Shall we start the class? Now before I start the class, is audio not clear? Is audio not clear? Anybody facing any issues? Clear, beta? Right, sir. Now before I start, today morning we discussed a fantastic session on how to optimize the variables and everything. One student asked this doubt. Please take one question, then we'll get into geometry. After the class, one student has WhatsApped Ajay. Sir, how to solve this kind of problems? It is coming in my mock papers. Please write down, sir. F of x plus 1. Please write this doubt. F of x plus 1 equivalent to 7x square plus 6x plus 3. F of x minus 1 equivalent to one doubt, then I'll get into the topic. 7x square plus 22x minus 19. B. 7x square minus 22x plus 19. C. 7x square plus 22x plus 19. D. 7x square minus 22x minus 19. minus 19. Other than subject, any student discusses anything other than the subject, my simple answer is to block him to watching all my videos in future, sir. I am very clear with my language. Other than subject, nothing should be discussed. F of x plus 1 equivalent to 7x square plus x plus 3, f of x minus 1 equivalent to half a page solution is there in one of the mocks. Now look at Anil Nair's way of solving. Put x equivalent to minus 1. If I put x equivalent to minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So this will become 7 into minus 1 square, 6 into minus 1 plus 3. So it is 7 minus 6 plus 3. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. F of 0 is 4. So f of x minus 1, in f of x minus 1, simple way to solve, sir. Put x equivalent to 1. Put x equivalent to 1. This should become f of 0. Answer should become 4. Wherever x equivalent to 1 in the answer option, I should get 4. 7 plus 22, 29 minus 19, 10. 7 minus 22 minus 15, 19 minus 15, 4. Simple answer. Toughest question made very easy, sir. Toughest question made very easy. Put x equivalent to minus 1 in the question. I got f of 0 equivalent to 4. Put x equivalent to 1 in the question. F of 1 minus 1 is 0. Answer I should get 4. I substituted in the second option. 19 plus 17 is 26. 26 minus 22 is 4. 26 minus 22 is 4. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, sir. First, now before I discuss circles, I discussed only the geometric centers concepts. Now I will discuss problems first, so that all the topics in geometric centers, all the varieties you will be able to solve. Geometric centers. First we will solve geometric centers, then we will solve circles. Geometric centers. One by one we will solve the question. Close to about 15 to 18 questions we can solve. First question. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. OE is the orthocenter. This topic is pending. My students who has purchased the video course say asked Ajay that to keep a lot of questions on geometric center. Here is your request, sir. Angle BIC is how much? Angle BOC is 130 degrees. Angle BOC is 130 degrees. Question as well as the answer. OE is the orthocenter. Okay. I is the incenter. If OE is the orthocenter, angle BOC is given by 180 minus angle A. Angle BOC is 130 degrees. 130 is nothing but 180 minus angle A. So angle A is nothing but 180 minus 130, 50. So angle BIC will become 90 plus half angle A. 90 plus half angle A. So angle BIC is nothing but 90 plus half into angle A is 50. 90 plus 25. Answer is 115 degrees. OE is the orthocenter, I is the incenter. OE is the orthocenter, I is the incenter. So if OE is the orthocenter, angle BOC is given by 180 minus angle A. Now, why this first question? First question discusses two important properties. If OE is the orthocenter, angle BOC is 180 minus angle A. If I is the incenter, angle BIC is 90 plus half angle A. 90 plus half angle A. I hope it is clear. First one. First one. Second question. Second question. Second question. Please write down, sir. We'll start with some statement based questions, then diagrams. Second one. If the area and perimeter, if the area and a perimeter of a right angled triangle if the area and a perimeter of a right angled triangle are 40 units square and 40 units square and 40 units, find the hypotenuse. Find the hypotenuse. Question. If the area and a perimeter of a right angled triangle are 40 units square and 40 units, find the hypotenuse. There is a right angled triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is 90 degrees. What is given? Area is given. Area is given as 40 units square. People will use AB square root of A square plus B square, not required. Area is 40, perimeter is 40. Now listen carefully, beta. There is one concept with respect to in radius. Delta is R into S. Delta is the area of the triangle and R into S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter value is 20. So R equivalent to 2. So R is given by semi-perimeter minus length of the hypotenuse. In radius is 2, perimeter is 40, semi-perimeter will be 20 minus hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is nothing but 20 minus 2, 18. 20 minus 2, 18. Listen carefully to everything. Area is given, perimeter is given. So to find the in radius, we will use delta equivalent to R into S. R is nothing but semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse in the case of a right-angled triangle. Right, every concepts are one question, one variety. Only in the case of a right-angled triangle, in radius is given by semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. Only in the case of a right-angled triangle, in radius is given by semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In the case of a right-angled triangle, note, listen carefully, sir. Find the in radius. Find the in radius for the following right-angled triangles. Find the in radius for the following right-angled triangles. Find the in radius for the following right-angled triangles. First question. 5, 12, 13. Directly no need to use delta equivalent to RS. R is nothing but semi-perimeter. 5 plus 12 plus 13 by 2 minus hypotenuse. This is nothing but 5 plus 2 minus 13 by 2. 17 minus 13 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 4 by 2 is 2. First write down the application, then I will discuss the proof. Right? 5, 12 and 13. Suppose directly you can write this is 7, this is 24, this is 25. In radius is directly you can write 7 plus 4, 7 plus 24 minus 25 by 2. 31 minus 25, it is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Directly you can write A plus B minus C by 2. Please write down. In a right angled triangle, if this is A, this is B, this is C, this is a right angle triangle, in radius is given by semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse by 2, or it is A plus B minus C by 2. A plus B minus C by 2. In radius for a right angle triangle is given by A plus B minus C by 2. A plus B minus C by 2. In radius in a right angled triangle is given by semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. Semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. Somebody asked me the proof, which anyway I decided to give the proof after solving the application. These in radius. Next, proof. Y in radius is semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. This is a right angled triangle. So right angled triangle is, this is 90 degrees. This is A, this is C, this is B. Opposite to A is small a. Opposite to B is small b. Opposite to C is small c. So if I take a circle, the circle, please write down this important point, the circle which touches all the sides of a triangle, the circle which touches all the sides of a triangle is nothing but incircle. Circle which touches all the sides of a triangle is called the incircle. Circle which touches all the sides of a triangle is called incircle. Now see here, Ishwar, this is for you. Important proofs only I will give. This is radius, and here also this is radius. So from here to here it is R, total is B, R, this will be B minus R. From here to here B minus R, tangents drawn from an external point are equal, so it is B minus R, remaining is C minus of B minus R. Tangents drawn from an external point are always equal. If this is R, the remaining will become A minus R, and the remaining also will become C minus of B minus R. So A minus R equivalent to C minus B plus R. Minus R comes to the right hand side, 2R equivalent to A minus C plus B. R is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2 minus C. A plus B plus C by 2 is semi-perimeter, C is hypotenuse. In radius is always given by semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. In radius is always given by semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse in the case of a right angled triangle. 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 I hope it is clear. Second question, we discussed about delta equivalent to R into S, R equivalent to semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse, right? And the third is, this is the proof. I hope it is clear. Next, third question. Third one. What is the distance between? I will discuss the questions along with the concepts. What is the distance between? What is the distance between in center? What is the distance between in center and centroid? What is the distance between in center and centroid of an isosceles triangle? In center and centroid of an isosceles triangle with sides 17, 17 and 30. With sides 17, 17 and 30. What is the distance between in center and centroid of an isosceles triangle with sides 17, 17, 30? There is a triangle given with sides 17, 17, 30. Now before I solve the question, few important properties. Note. This question is nothing but an isosceles triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. So if ABC is an isosceles triangle, without knowing the properties you might fumble. In an isosceles triangle, unequal side is the base. Unequal side is the base. So unequal side here is BC. That is the first point. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal, AB equivalent to AC. In an isosceles triangle, unequal side is the base. Second point, listen carefully, sir. In an isosceles triangle, In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, it is an unequal side. The perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side, listen carefully to this line, sir. The perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side, the perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side in an isosceles triangle will also become median, will also become angular bisector, will also become perpendicular bisector. Please write down this, sir. In an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side. Again, I am repeating, a perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side. If a perpendicular is drawn onto the unequal side is the base. In an isosceles triangle, it will become median, it will become angular bisector, it will become perpendicular bisector. Median, angular bisector and perpendicular bisector if ABC is an isosceles triangle. If ABC is an isosceles triangle, perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side. That is the first point. Right? Second important key point. Listen carefully, sir. Angular bisector theorem. You need to know this so that you can solve this problem very, very easily. Angular bisector theorem. A line which divides the angle into two equal parts is called angular bisector. ABC. If I divide the angle A into two equal parts, that means if it is theta, it will be theta. What are the sides connecting A? AB by AC equivalent to A is dropped onto and BC. So what are the sides it is giving? BD by DC. BD by DC. Listen carefully. Angular bisector theorem. Suppose if I draw another angular bisector which will divide B into two equal parts, alpha, alpha. What are the sides connecting B? So it is AB by BC equivalent to AB by BC equivalent to AE by EC. Angular bisector theorem. Angular bisector theorem. Second one. Third one. If I take a triangle ABC, if I take a triangle ABC, take the midpoint, join the opposite vertex, take the midpoint, join the opposite vertex, take the midpoint, join the opposite vertex. This is called centroid. The point of concurrency of medians is called centroid. Point of concurrency of medians. Centroid divides AG is to GD is nothing but 2 is to 1. Centroid divides median. Centroid divides median in the ratio 2 is to 1. Centroid divides median in the ratio 2 is to 1. First is angular bisector theorem for any triangles. For any triangles it is a centroid. Unequal side is the base. The perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side will also become median, will also become perpendicular bisector and everything. It is possible for all the possible triangles. All the possible triangles. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Clear. Now let us solve the question. Every question listen carefully, sir. Question is 17, 17, 30. 17, 17, 30 means 17, 17 unequal side will become the base. In an isosceles triangle, perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side, right? Perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side will become the median. Median means it will divide into 15, 17. So if I apply 17 square minus 15 square is nothing but AD square. ABC and it is D. So it is nothing but AD square. So AD will become 17 minus 15, 32. 17 minus 15 2, 17 plus 15 32. Square root means square root of 64 is 8. This is 8. Now listen sir. This is 8. 17, 17, 30. Perpendicular dropped is 8. Now centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. So if it is D, AG is to GD. AG is to GD is nothing but 2:1. So AG will become 2 by 3 of AD. 2 by 3 of AD. AD is nothing but 8. 2 by 3 of 8 is 16 by 3, which is 5.33. Which is 5.33. Now see here. Now see here. What is the question, beta? Listen carefully to the question. Question. See here. What is the distance between centroid and incenter? We don't know where is the incenter. I am taking it is down of G. Depending upon the values, it could be above. So I will connect B to I. Now I can apply angular bisector theorem. So this is B. This is I. The side is AD. What is angular bisector theorem? AB by BD is nothing but AI by AD. AI by ID. What is AB value? AB value is 17. What is BD value? 15. So it is nothing but AI by ID. AI plus ID is nothing but AD. So 17 plus parts plus this is 17 parts, this is 15 parts. 17 plus 15 is 32K. AD, total AD is nothing but 8. So K equivalent to, right, 1 by 4. We require AI. AI is nothing but 17 parts. 17 into 1 by 4, which is 4.25. That means total it is 4.25. This is 5.33. It is incorrect. I is not below G. I is above G. Because AG value is greater than AI. If AG value is greater than AI, that means G will be down of I. G will be down of I. Down of I. What do we require? Distance between incenter and centroid. So IG is nothing but AG minus AI. Very, very beautiful question which discusses multiple concepts. Any buffering issue, beta? Any buffering issue? Any student facing? Today's class is any buffering issue? Again I am repeating, it is an isosceles triangle. The learning from this question is, in an isosceles triangle, unequal side is the base, so it is 30, 17, 17. In an isosceles triangle, perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side will also become median. Median means it divides into two equal parts, 15 here, 15 here, so height will become 8. I hope it is clear. Till height it is clear. Now another important point, please write down, sir. Another important point, please write down. Another important point, please write down. In an isosceles triangle, in an isosceles triangle, and in center, please write down, sir. In center, centroid, orthocenter, incenter, centroid, orthocenter, and circumcenter. All these lie on the same line. Please write down this point, sir. In an isosceles triangle, incenter, centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter lie on the same line. In an isosceles triangle, incenter, centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter lie on the same line. Lie on the same line. Please write down that one, sir. In an isosceles triangle, all geometric centers. In an isosceles triangle, all geometric centers lie on the same line. All geometric centers lie on the same line. Another point, in an equilateral triangle, all geometric centers lie on the same point. Very, very important points. Very important. Already the introduction to geometric centers, I already discussed it for 2 to 2.5 hours some weeks before in a YouTube live class. I am only interested in solving the question. Right? In an isosceles triangle, all the geometric centers lie on the same line. In an equilateral triangle, all geometric centers lie on the same point. Now, I hope it is clear, right, sir? Lie on the same point. No issues. I will solve minimum 2 questions based on a variety so that you will not miss out any concept. Please write down the next question, sir. A beautiful question, sir. Beautiful question. The sides of a triangle are 6, 8 and 10. The sides of a triangle are 6, 8 and 10. The sides of a triangle are 6, 8. 6, 8 and 10. Right? Please write down, sir. Find the area formed by. Find the area formed by centroid, incenter. Find the area formed by centroid, incenter and circumcenter. Area formed by centroid, incenter and circumcenter. Michael, where did I discuss 9-point circle? I discussed in an isosceles triangle, all geometric centers lie on the same line. In an equilateral triangle, all geometric centers lie on the same point. This is what I discussed. There is no definition of 9-point circle, nothing. Please put a star mark on this question, sir. I hope is it clear? Let me write few things. Side of a, write down this question, sir. Side of a, write down this question. The sides of a, for all the students who missed it, the sides of a triangle are 6, 8 and 10. The sides of a triangle are 6, 8 and 10. Find the area formed by centroid, incenter and circumcenter. Centroid, area formed by centroid, incenter and circumcenter. Listen carefully to the way I am solving this question, sir. Listen carefully. 6, 8 and 10. So 6, 8, 10 is definitely a right angle triangle. So 6, 8 and it is 10. Best way to solve this question is to use coordinate geometry. this is 0 0, this is 6 comma 0, and this is 0 comma 8. 0 comma 0, 6 comma 0, and 0 comma 8. 0 comma 8. Now see, centroid. Centroid is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is a centroid, so this will become 0 plus 6 plus 0 by 3. Next is 0 plus 0 plus 8 by 3. So this will become 2 comma 8 by 3. The centroid. In center means r comma r. If I take a circle, this is r and it is also r. What is r? Semi-perimeter minus hypotenuse. 6 plus 8 minus 10 by 2. So 2. X-axis it is 2, y-axis also it is 2. In radius, x-axis 2, y-axis 2. Centroid over x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. In center is r comma r. What is circumcenter? Circumcenter is nothing but half of the hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, please write down, sir. In a circumradius is given by half of the hypotenuse. So 6 plus 0 by 2, 3. 0 plus 8 by 2, 4. Very beautifully you can solve by using coordinate geometry. 0 comma 0, 6 comma 0, 0 comma 8. Area given by centroid. Centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, 0 plus 6 plus 0 by 3, it is 2, 0 plus 0 plus 8 by 3, it is 8 by 3. First is 2 comma 8 by 3. We got centroid. In center will have in radius 6 plus 8 minus 10 by 2, 2, y-axis also 2. In center we got it as 2. Circumcircle will have radius. Circumradius is given by half of the hypotenuse. Half of hypotenuse is 6 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 8 by 2. So we got all the values. What are all the values we got? 2 comma 8 by 3, 2 comma 8 by 3, next is 2 comma 2, and the next is 3 comma 4. 2 comma 8 by 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 4. This is nothing but x1, this is nothing but y1, this is nothing but x2, this is nothing but y2, this is nothing but x3, this is nothing but y3. Next problem I will discuss a shortcut. So area is half of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3. Substitute it, you will get the answer. Half of 2 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 8 by 3 minus 2, 2 minus 4. This is 0. I hope it is clear. Fantastic question which is asking for centroid, incenter and circumcenter. Michael, if you see, this is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, all the geometric centers are not lying on the same line. They are forming a triangle. If they are an isosceles triangle, it lies on the same line. If it is an equilateral triangle, it lies exactly at the same point. It lies exactly at the same point. Now, in the exam, right, most of the students who are watching my videos, I don't use formulas. I don't use formulas. This method you should not use. Right? Right. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Next, any doubt? Any doubt in this? Any student can ask me any conceptual clarity question, sir. Now, next question. Please write down, sir. Write down. What is the area of the triangle? What is the area of the triangle? What is the area of the triangle with vertices? with vertices 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 9. 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 9. What is wrong, Abhinav? Can you please explain with a proof? Right? What is the area of the triangle with vertices 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 9? Don't use any formula. First is triangle is like this. If I shift the triangle to one coordinate 0, the area will not change. Area will not change. So shift it by -2, -3. 5 seconds it will take. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 3 3, 5 minus 2 3, 9 minus 3 6. Area with one coordinate 0 0 is half of x1 y2, 2 6 are 12, x1 x2 y1, 12 minus 9. Directly 3 by 2, answer is 1.5. A beautiful question based on shifting. If you shift the figure by some points, or if you rotate the figure by doing shifting or rotation, area will not change. By doing the shifting, if you shift the figure from one point to another point, or if you rotate the figure, area will not change. If you shift it by -2, -3, Anil sir, why it is only -2, -3? I want one point to be 0, 0. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 3 3, 5 minus 2 3, 9 minus 3 6. Then apply, right? Area of the triangle with 1.00 is half of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is where the points are 0 0, x1 y1 and x2 y2 and x2 y2. Two more questions. I hope it is clear, sir. If you shift the figure by -2, -3, if you shift the figure by -2, -3, if you shift the figure by -2, -3, shift it by -2, -3. Any calculation mistakes, you take care. Conceptual, you please ask me, sir. Conceptual, you can ask me, sir. Next, two questions. What is the area of the triangle with coordinates -1 4, 5, 8, 7, 9? -1 4, 5, 8 and 7, 9. Simple thing, don't make it complicated. Shift it by 1, -4. If you shift it, it is 0, 0, 5 plus 1 6, 8 minus 4 4, 7 plus 1 8, 9 minus 4 5. Area of the triangle with 1.00 is half of x1 y2, 6 8s are 48, minus x2 y1. 48 minus 20, 28 by 2, 14. Shift, make one point as 0 0. Make one point as 0 0. Make one point as 0 0. One more question. Anil sir, I forgot this. I will tell you another beautiful approach. 8, 9, 13, 12, 9, 17. 8, 9, 13, 12, 9, 17. Shift it by -8, -9. If I shift it by -8, -9 is 0, 0. 13 minus 8 is 5. 12 minus 9 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 17 minus 9 is 8. Half of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. 5 8s are 40. x2 y1. 3 1s are 3. 40 minus 3 is 37. 37 by 2 is 18.5. 18.5. Shift it by x1 y1 such that one value will become 0 0. One value will become 0 0. Right? Another two questions. Do not miss any single question which I am solving it in YouTube live class. Right? All are high quality questions. No conceptual No question will be solved without conceptual clarity. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Now, Anil sir, I forgot the formula x1y2 minus x2y1. Then how to solve? Read the question, sir. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle with vertices. Find the area of the triangle with vertices 0, 0, 12, 9 and 14, 6. Find the area of a triangle with vertices. Yes, Rishabh, I will also take one quadrilateral question to explain it very clearly better. Just listen, sir. I hope it is clear, right? Now this question, if you forgot the notation, how you can solve just by visualization? This is a beautiful question where I am going to use visualization. See here, sir. Step number 1. What is the maximum x value? 14. So take 14, 0. What is the maximum y value? 9. So this will become 0, 9. 14, 0 and 0, 9. Drop perpendiculars. If I drop perpendiculars, so this will be 14, 9. 14, 6 is 3 units down of 14, 9. 12, 9 is 2 units to the left side of 14, 9. Join this, and join this. This area we require. This is nothing but total rectangle. Here it is 14 length, total breadth. Here it is 9. So total it is 14 into 9 minus. This is an area of right angle, half into base into height. This is half into, this is 12 and this side 9. Half into base is 2, height is 9 minus 6, 3. Minus of half into 14 into 6, half into 2 into 3, half into 12 into 9. Idea clear, sir? Idea clear? Right? In case if you do not remember the formula, you can draw the diagram and you can do it. 0, 0, 12, 9, 14, 6. Maximum x value is 14, 14, 0. Maximum y value is 9, 0, 9. Drop a perpendiculars. If I drop a perpendiculars, it will become 14, 9. 14, 6 is 3 units down of 14, 9. 12, 9 is 2 units to the left of 14, 9. Draw a triangle. Total rectangle minus these 3. Total rectangle minus these 3. Right? Now, one student asked me what we have to do if it is a quadrilateral. Write down beta this question. Write down this question, sir. Find the, you can do it by using diagrams or you can shift it. Find the area of a quadrilateral. Find the area of Chanakya. AC. Find the area of a quadrilateral for 4. Rishabh, this for you beta. Find the area of quadrilateral formed by joining the points. Formed by joining the points. In case if you do not remember formula also, you can solve by just by drawing it. Minus 4, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 1 and 2, 5. Listen carefully. Find the area of the quadrilateral formed by joining the points. Minus 4, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 1 and 2, y. Step number 1. X and y axis. What is the maximum x value? Maximum x value is 4. So this is 4, 0. What is the maximum y value? Y value is 2, 0, 1, 5. Maximum is 0, 5. Maximum is 0, 5. Draw a parallel line. Drop a perpendicular. This is 4, 5. This is 4, 5. Next, what is the minimum max value? This is minus 4, 0. If I drop a perpendicular, what it will be? Minus 4, 5. Minus 4, 5. Now we will locate the points. What is the first point? Minus 4, 2. Minus 4, 2 will be here. Minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0 will be here. 4, 1. 4, 1 is 1 unit above 4, 0. 2, 5. 2, 5 is 2 units to the right side of 0, 5. What is the area we require? This, and this. This is the area of the quadrilateral. So I will fill it. This area we require. So if to find out the area of this figure, total it is 8, total it is 5. In that one, this is nothing but a right angle, minus 4, 0. So the total it is 5, it is 1. Half into 5 into 1. Here it is half into 2 and 4, it is 2. 5, 1, it is 4. Again it is half into 3, 3 into 6, half into these 2 into 3. Total area minus this area. I hope the concept is clear, sir. Concept is clear. Minus 4, 2, minus 1, 0. Rishabh, shift the figure by 4, minus 2, make it 0, 0. Draw the figure again. Then you will understand it, how the figure can be condensed. So total area minus this area. I hope it is clear, sir. Not a single question. Please do not miss it. Do not miss any of the single question. Next one. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Next, please write down the next question. Area of triangle we did by shifting it to one point such that one value will become 0, 0. Area of the quadrilateral. Right? That also we can make. Just I showed it how you can do by using the method number 2. Next question. You can also shift it by 4, minus 2. Make 0, 0 and try to do it on your own. The answer will remain the same. Next one. The length of the sides of a triangle. The length of the, another model, length of the sides of a triangle. Length of the sides of a triangle are 12, 35 and 37. 12, 35 and 37. Find the length of the median. Find the length of the median drawn to the longest side. Find the length of the median drawn to the longest side. Listen carefully. Before I solve this question, very important shortcut we will discuss. Very important shortcut we will discuss. Suppose there is a right angled triangle which is ABC, A, B and C. Case 1. Side is an odd number. If side is an odd number, take 3. Square it and divide by 2. 9 by 2 it is 4.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. This is a Pythagorean triplet. Suppose if it is 5. If it is an odd number greater than 1, 5. Square it and divide by 2. 25 by 2 is 12.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. 5, 12, 30. Right? Next, 7. First listen, sir. 7. 7 square by 2. 49 by 2 is 24.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. I'll get another right angled triangle Pythagorean triplets. If the side is an odd number, greater than 1, make it 3, square it and divide by 2. 9 by 2 is 4.5, subtract 0.5, add 0.5. If it is 5, 5 square by 2, 5 by 2. I hope it is clear, right, sir? I hope it is clear. Anil sir, what happens if the side is an even number? Case 2. Please write down, sir. Case 2. Case 1. Side is an odd number. Case 2. Side is an even number. Case 2. Side is an even number. Case 2. Side is an even number. If it is an even number greater than 2, 4. Square it and divide by 4. 16 by 4 is 4. Subtract 1, add 1. 4, 3, 5. If it is 6, square it and divide by 4. 36 by 4, 9. Subtract 1, add 1. 6, 8, 10. If it is 8, square it and divide by 4. 64 by 4, 16. Subtract 1 and add 1. 8, 15, 17. If it is 10, square it and divide by 4. 10 square by 4, 25. Subtract 1 and add 1. I hope it is very, very clear, sir. If it is an odd number, square it. If it is an odd number, square it, divide by 2, do plus or minus. Do plus or minus 0.5. Right? Square is an odd number. If it is 12, then I will explain why am I explaining this. 12 square divided by 4. 144 by 4. 36. Subtract 1 and add 1. 12, 35, 37. This is the question which are given. 12, 35, 37. That is, this is a right angled triangle. So the question given is nothing but it is taken from right angled triangle. It is taken from right angled triangle. I hope it is clear. It is taken from right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Right. Now see here. Please write down a note, sir. Note. Note. Do not miss any of my classes, sir. In a right angled triangle. Tomorrow's class also you will enjoy, sir. Tomorrow it's a special algebra workshop. In a right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle, circumradius is given by half of the hypotenuse. Circumradius is also called as the length of the median. Circumradius is also called as the length of the median. In a right angled triangle, circumradius is given by half of the hypotenuse. Circumradius and length of the median both are equal only in right angled triangle. So the sides are 12, 35, 37. So length of the median is given by half of the hypotenuse. Length of the median is given by half of the hypotenuse. Half of 37 is 18.5. Half of 37 is 18.5. I hope it is clear. Just look at the question. Check it out by using that shortcut whether it is a right angled triangle or not. If it is a right angled triangle, length of the median is given by half of the hypotenuse. Half of the hypotenuse. Half of the hypotenuse. Now see here. Half of the hypotenuse. Next, another variety of questions. In every YouTube live class, a lot of shortcuts I am going to discuss, and these classes are going to happen. A lot of classes will happen, right? Covering a variety of topics. If a topic is not happening today, then for any reason I will cover the same topic in whenever I am free, sir. The internal bisector of angle A meets BC at D. Meets BC at D. AB is 4. AC is 3. Angle A is 60. Find AD equivalent. Internal bisector of angle A meets BC at D. AB is 4, AC is 3, angle A 60 degrees, AD equivalent. AD equivalent. Now see here, sir. See, let me solve, then I will see the live chart. Internal bisector is nothing but an angular bisector. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Total angle 60. So this will become 30 and this will become 30. Angular bisector AB is 4, AC is 3. What is given in the question? AD is asking. Find AD value. Okay. AD value is nothing but if I take the area of total triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is nothing but area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC is ABD plus ADC. Total area is nothing but half into product of the sides into sine of the angle. Half into 4 into 3 into sine 60 is nothing but half into 4 into AD into sine 30 plus half into AD into AC into sine 30. AC is 3 into sine 30. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Total it is 60. AD is the median. If AD is the median, ABD plus ADC is nothing but total triangle ABC. So ABD is nothing but half into product of the sides into sine of the angle. Half into AD into DC into side. Total angle is 60. I hope it is clear. If you solve this equation, this is an original CAT question. Answer is 12 root 3 by 7. Answer is 12 root 3 by 7. Answer is 12 root 3 by 7. I hope it is clear. Another few questions. Question concept, question concept, question concept. Write down the next question, sir. Next question. Right. I think Saurav Gupta, you have asked a doubt. Actually, from morning onwards, too many students are asking, sir, YouTube live classes we want to watch, right? Today, I have never done it before. Now, today, I am launching this. All the students who want to watch all the YouTube live classes, all the previous YouTube live classes and September month YouTube live classes, whatever we are discussing, September month YouTube live classes, not my classroom shortcut content but my YouTube live classes plus 20 cat mocks plus 5 non-cat mocks, right? Today, tomorrow, only till the students will get this offer only on September 13th. We created a separate core for it, but we are going to give it only for all my YouTube live classes. You can watch it in desktop, you can watch it in mobile. This course will be available only on September 13th. YouTube live classes plus 20 cat mocks plus 5 non-cat mocks. Interested students, many students said that, sir, we bought this, it is a little burden to us. So any interested student can purchase it only at 3,000 rupees. This does not contain our classroom shortcut videos. You can give a call to this number. Only for 5 students we are launching the course on September 13th. September 13th onwards you can buy this, but 77957 3445. You can watch all Anil Nair's YouTube live class videos in your online portal. This is given only to the first 3 people. If you want to purchase it from September 13th, you can do it after September 13th. This course itself will cost 6,500 rupees. So it's an inaugural offer, 3,000 rupees. You will get 20 CAT marks and 5 non-CAT marks. All my YouTube live classes, including September YouTube live classes, including GST, only for the first 3 people this offer will be there. So interested students, you can give a call, you can purchase it when I am giving it at a low price. In case if you are interested, you can purchase. Anil sir, I want all your YouTube live classes. I am learning a lot from the YouTube live classes. I want to watch your videos at any point of a time. This course will be valid for 6 months. This course will be valid for 6 months. You can watch it any point of a time. Interested students, you can call any of these numbers and you can purchase it. You can purchase it. First 3 people, this is only for the students, right, who has already bought so much material and everything. Please buy it only for the shortcuts. Only for the shortcuts. Next. I hope it is clear, sir. Interested students, you can give a call, sir. All YouTube live classes taken till now. All YouTube live classes. None of our YouTube live class videos, you will find it in our YouTube channel. Plus September live classes, all the CAT workshops, all the number system workshops, few sessions on geometry, few sessions on LRDI, plus 20 CAT marks and 5 non-CAT marks. Never before, never again. The students can purchase it only for the first 3 people. Only for the first 3 people, it cost 3,000. Do not purchase this. Purchase it if you think that my shortcuts are not adding value. 998585 1158 77957 3445. Next. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Next question, please write down. You can watch all my videos, sir. Next. Yes, Ramlakan, in case if you have paid 6,000, you should get it as a part of this packet. There is no confusion. Write down, sir. AD is perpendicular to BC. Tomorrow's class, do not miss it. It is a special algebra session. A lot of classes are going to happen in this month, sir. Exam is close. Please open your books and start reading it. Do not waste your time. If you waste your time, then probably again after few years you will tell your kids that I want to become an IAS officer. I could not become. You better become. Your coming generation kids will curse you. The kids will say that you first become an IAS officer and tell me to become an IAS officer. Right? Kids are going to take an inspiration from their parents. Right? You cannot tell your kid to study and you don't study it. ABC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Right? Now, let me solve this problem, then I will go through the live chart. R. Now see here, sir. R is nothing but, in any triangle, R is nothing but ABC by 4 delta. ABC by 4 delta, it is for any triangle. Delta is the area of the triangle. So ABC by 4 into delta is half into base into height. Base is A, height is AD. Base is A, height is AD. AA cancel. B is nothing but AC. AC value is given as 9. Next is 17.5 divided by 2 into AD. AD is 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. It is nothing but 52.5 by 2. Answer is 26.25. Beautiful question which talks about the area circumcenter. R is ABC by 4 delta. R is ABC by 4 delta. R is right. R is ABC by 4 delta. I hope it is clear. R is ABC by 4 delta. Now, let me go through the live chart. Any doubts, I'll answer, sir. Now, Rahul, all the videos, we have a video editor. He is doing all the cuts for the July and August month. If time permits, I will make it into a short videos. So that you can download it and you can download it. If time does not permit, I'll put a full length videos. Right now the work is happening for July and August. Now we have to do it September. So I'm not promising it. Probably by October first week, you can see a small length videos. I hope it answers. Right? Yes. Right. Now I only discuss concepts beta. Especially this is for the students who are weak in aptitude. Any student who are not getting good scores in aptitude, this is a must attend session, sir. This is a must attend session. Right? This is a must attend session. Digvijay, in case if you want only September videos, please tell my name to Ujjwala 9985. 9985851158. This is only for September videos plus marks. You can purchase it only at 2000 rupees, or you can call Ajay 77957 3445. Interested students, for 3 students I gave the offer. I really don't know how many I have got over. Most likely it will get over, sir. Right? Vineet, I already announced in the morning that this month the special focus will be on geometry and LRDI. Right? I will try my level best. If time permits, I will do few mock analysis. Otherwise, I will go ahead with concepts. Right? Now, all the pending topics one by one we will discuss after I complete all the models. First we will start with geometric centers, then we have to complete polygons, then we have to complete circles, then 2D, then we have to complete virtual positioning. Lot of classes are going to happen. Next, another question. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC, it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means AB equivalent to AC. The next is AD is 15. AD is 15. AD is nothing but the altitude drawn onto the unequal side, and BE is the median. Here AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. BE, right? BE is given as 24. BE is given as 24. BE is nothing but the median. BE is nothing but the median. What is the question? Question is find the area of triangle ABC. Find the area of triangle ABC. Now see here, beta. In an isosceles triangle, perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side. In an isosceles triangle, perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side, this also becomes a median. Two medians are required to get the centroid. That means AD, whatever you are writing, because it is unequal side, it is a median. So 2 medians means total 6. So what will happen? Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. So GD is nothing but 1/3 of AD. So 1/3 of AD is 5. BG is also the median. It is 2/3 of BE. BE is nothing but 24. 2/3 of 24 is 16. So this is 5 and it is 16. This is square root of 231. 256 minus 25 square root of 231. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 6 we got. 6 into half into root of 231 into 5. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Answer is 15 into square root of 231. I hope it is clear, sir. I hope it is clear, right? Mehran, in case if you have taken a mock series, I really doubt that you can see our YouTube videos. Probably you can top it up with a smaller amount and buy the YouTube videos, sir. Buy the YouTube videos. I hope it is clear, sir. Next. This is clear. Next question. What is the concept here? Perpendicular drawn onto the unequal side will also become the median. 2 medians are enough to get the centroid. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. I hope it is clear. Next, another question. You might do a mistake in this question. ABC, this is A and this is B and it is C. This is 20 and it is 20. Again, this is 32. Again, it is an isosceles triangle. Good number of questions will come from, right, isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now, here, AD is an angular bisector, BE is an angular bisector, CF is an angular bisector. AD, BE and CF, they are all angular bisectors. Very, very good question, sir. Angular bisector, what is the question? Question is, angular bisector, if it is in center, find AI. Find AI. Find AI. Very, very beautiful question, sir. Right? Find AI. First of all, it is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, right, angular bisector drawn onto the unequal side will also become median. This is 16, this is 16. If this is 16, this is 20. This entire value will become 12. This entire value will become 12. Again, I am explaining. AD is an angular bisector, BE is an angular bisector, CF is an angular bisector. Drop angular bisectors in an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle problems are very, very important, sir. Isosceles triangle, angular bisector drawn onto the unequal side. Angular bisector drawn onto the unequal side. Drawn onto the unequal side will also become median. Will also become median. So median means 16, 16, 20, 16, remaining will be 12. Now see here beta. Now apply the angular bisector theorem from B. From B, it is I. So this is A and it is D. So this will become AB by BD equivalent to AI by ID. AB by BD equivalent to AI by ID. What is AB value? 20. What is BD value? 16. It is nothing but AI by ID. AI by ID. 4 5s are, 4 4s are. So AI is nothing but, AI value is nothing but 5 parts, 4 parts, total 9 parts, 5 by 9 into AD. AD is 12. 3 4s are, 3 3s are, 20 by 3. 20 by 3. 20 by 3. I hope it is clear. Most of the students, the mistake which they will do is, they will consider I as the centroid, they will take AG equivalent to 2 by 3 into 12. G is the centroid, but 3 angular bisectors meet, that is an incenter. That is an incenter. I hope it is clear, sir. That is an incenter. That is an incenter. Very beautiful question based upon the isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, angle formed at the angular bisector dropped onto the unequal side will also become median, will also become the other lines, geometric lines. Next, one more question. One more question. What is the area of the rhombus? What is the area of the rhombus? What is the radius of the circle? What is the radius of the circle inscribed in a, what is the radius of the circle inscribed in a rhombus? What is the radius of a circle inscribed in a rhombus with a diagonal lengths? With a diagonal lengths 10 and 24. With a diagonal lengths 10 and 24. With a diagonal lengths 10 and 24. Another good question. There is a rhombus. Let me take a rhombus. There is a rhombus. In that rhombus, there is a circle which is inscribed. There is a circle which is inscribed. What is the radius of a circle inscribed in a rhombus with a diagonal lengths? These are all diagonals. These are all diagonals of lengths 10 and 24. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. So these 5, these 5, and this is 12, this is 12. This is nothing but the in radius. So diagonals also bisect perpendicularly in rhombus. 90. If it is 90, this value will become 512. It will become 13. Already we discussed. Side is 5. 5 square by 2. 25 by 2, 12.5. Subtract 0.5, add 0.5. So area is nothing but half into 5 into 12. This is also nothing but half into base into height. Half into 13 into 8. R value is nothing but 60 by 13. R value is nothing but 60 by 13. Very, very important property. Right? In rhombus, perpendiculars bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Diagonals are bisect each other perpendicularly. 5 and 12, that side will be 13. So half into base into height. Half into 5 into 12 is half into R into 13. Half into R into 13. I hope it is clear, sir. I hope it is clear. Next, one more question. Half into base into height. Next one more question. If the sides of a triangle, if the sides of a triangle are 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15 units, find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Very, very important. Here students might do a mistake. Find the radius of the circle which touches all the sides of a triangle. Which touches all the sides of a triangle. The circle which touches all the sides of a triangle is called incircle. Incircle will have in radius. Incircle will have in radius delta equivalent to R into S. Delta is given by Hero's formula. 2S is nothing but 13 plus 14 plus 15. So 2S is 42. S is 21. So delta is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. R into semi-perimeter is 21. So these are nothing but 21 is 7 into 3. 7 7s are another 7 will be out. 8 3s are 24. 6 are 144. 144 will be 12. R into 21. 84 equivalent to 21 R. R value will become 4. The radius of the circle. The circle which touches all the sides of a triangle. The circle which touches all the sides of a triangle is called incircle. Is called incircle. Incircle radius will be in radius. In radius is given by delta equivalent to R into S. Delta equivalent to R into S. Delta equivalent to R into S. So root of 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. I hope it is clear, sir. Clear, right? Now try to solve few questions. Right? You can ask me doubts. Write down few questions, sir. First question. Try to solve this question. Very tough question. Tomorrow morning I will discuss this question. Find the length of, if the length of 3 medians of a triangle, length of 3 medians of a triangle are 14.5, square root of 510 and square root of 514. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Excellent question, sir. Find the perimeter of the triangle. It is, options are 81, next is 87, next is 70, next is 58. 81, 87, 70, 58. Try to solve this question, sir. Now I'll tell Kanna. Length of the 3 medians of a triangle are 14.5, square root of 510, square root of 514. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Find the perimeter of the triangle. Try this question. Very, very important updates right now. Today I got a investors meet at night 10 o'clock in one of the hotels. I need to be present. I just got an update at 6:30. So night class from 9 to 10:30. This circle class will not happen. But instead of that, tomorrow morning there is a fantastic class, 6:15 to 8:15, 8:30. I will take a special algebra workshop. Do not worry, I will take this circle session in the upcoming days and I will finish it off. Right? Any student sitting here, sir? I made 2 announcements. Right? There are few more announcements. If there is any student who is ready to do internship with me, you will directly report to me, you will directly solve the questions with me, you will help. Please, in case if you are in Bangalore, please get in touch with my mail ID info@anilnairclasses.com. This is for all the people who want to grow 10x time in subject and directly work with me all the time. info@anilnairclasses.com. Any student sitting here, sir, in every live class of mine, I will discuss only the shortcuts. Only the shortcuts and concepts will be discussed. And some of the concepts you will not find. Entire YouTube live classes from the time we started. If you want entire YouTube live classes plus September live classes also coming soon, LRDI sir, plus all the 20 CAT marks and 5 non-CAT marks from September 13th. You can buy it only for 3,000 rupees. I am updating you very late. Maybe this might have got over. I need to speak to Ajay and Ujjwala. 77957 3445 998585 1158. Students are asking, sir, where can we buy your books? If any student wants to buy my books, please give a call to Ajay 77957 3445. You will find my original classroom notes also. Original classroom notes also you will buy it. Interested students, you can give a call. Please do not waste your time at this point of your time. You are coming very, very closer to your CAT or a placement or a bank examination. Still you any of the aptitude exams, still you say, no, I will work. It is work 1 day before, 2 days before. It is not going to happen. The only thing which is there in your life which you cannot regain is time. Start investing time in the right direction. See the results growing. Right? So there will be no class in the night. I will meet you again at morning 6:15. Right? Right, beta. Thanks a lot. I am signing out. Right? Bhagatam Karna. You can give a call to this number right now. 77957 3445. 3445. The best thing which I recommend is all my videos, sir. You can watch Anil Nair's original classroom videos and all the YouTube live class. Power is in content, where you can watch the content at any point of a time. Ajay has just updated me, sir, only one seat is there. Please announce it, only one seat is there. Videos only, it will cost 3,000. Marks it will cost 2,000. Chalo guys, I need to sign off. I need to leave for a meeting. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.